As indoor mask mandates return to our area, there are questions about requiring vaccines. KMBC 9's Michael Mahoney looks into the rule that already exists for Kansas City, Missouri.
Earlier this summer, City Manager Brian Platt issued a directive. All city workers will be tested every 30 days for COVID unless they've been fully vaccinated.
Yes, to the outside, the public, that may be a surprise to some, but it was a proactive way that a policy that we put forth in early June.
The city rule encourages city workers to get the shots and shall show proof of vaccination to be exempted from those regular COVID tests.
For any unvaccinated employee, KCMO conducts regular testing every 30 days.
And if the health department or a worker thinks they've been exposed to COVID, they can get another test at any time. Also today, researcher Andrew Miller revealed this map of Kansas City. Those light blue areas, he says, are places falling further and further behind in vaccinations. Miller also says the Delta surge in southwest Missouri remains a big problem, but
these are the hotspots that we should be celebrating because these are the leading edge of the largest increases of vaccination across the state.
So Kansas City's 4,000 or so city workers practically have a vaccine mandate. If they can show proof they're fully vaccinated, they don't have to be tested on a regular basis. Michael Mahoney, KMBC 9 News.
President Biden says federal employees will be required to get a COVID-19 shot. Those who do not get vaccinated would have to get regular COVID tests and wear a mask. The president is also encouraging states to offer $100 to people to encourage them to get the shot. The federal government is the country's largest employer with 2.1 million workers. 38,000 are in the Kansas City area, according to the Greater Kansas City Federal Executive Board. We have new information about nursing homes. They had the highest death rates at the peak of last year's COVID surge.
KMBC 9's Matt Fleener found out there is a way you can check how many patients and staff are vaccinated.
We want to show you some important information. If you have a loved one or a family member inside a nursing home, you can find out how many patients and staff are fully vaccinated.
That information found on the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid website. It can help you understand the risk inside the facility where the person you love lives.
We as a community have to look for the greater good.
Dr. Romulo Gatapia is medical director for 6 nursing homes in the metro.
The COVID virus is still with us and is now about to hit the Kansas City metro area.
Through the pandemic, he's done updates on YouTube and social media for nursing home staff, knowing more need to get their COVID shots.
Will I be lucky and convince some of them? I hope I do.
New numbers show the percent of staff fully vaccinated across the country. Hawaii has the highest at 85%, but then it drops off. Kansas, 56%. Missouri ranks near the bottom with right around 46% of staff fully vaccinated.
I'm the medical director for 6 nursing homes, yes, sir.
As Delta variant continues to spread, Dr. Gatapia says he wants staff members to know how important vaccines are.
I still just talk to them and try to encourage them and try to remind them of the risk involved that this virus is worse.
We're trying to make this easier for you to find. I have all of the information on how you can find vaccination data inside nursing homes on my KMBC Facebook page. In Kansas City, Missouri, Matt Fleener, KMBC 9 News.
A CDC study shows if less than 75% of staff are vaccinated inside nursing homes, the risk of a COVID outbreak is much higher. We are seeing a rise in vaccination rates on the Kansas side. More than 56% of people are now fully vaccinated in Johnson County. In Wyandotte County, that number is up to more than 35%. On the Missouri side, Clay County is in the lead with 41% of people vaccinated.
The North Kansas City School District will require masks indoors regardless of vaccination status. This starts on Monday and applies to all students, staff, and visitors. The district says it continues to work closely with local health departments. This guidance could change before the school year begins on August 23rd. Here's a look at the coronavirus cases on both sides of the state line. Right now, 14.7% of tests are coming back positive in Missouri. In Kansas, that number is above 8%.